Okay, second application. I think this is a better test subject. I think that's very easy to see the color or discoloration in the grout that I'm referring to. By the way, this is the seal that I took off that I put back on there to put the cap on between use because I couldn't really see how to seal that afterwards. So again, here's a grout line here. You can see how it changes color throughout. So I'm going to put the sealer on this section here. This is all white over here. This has some dark and some light. So I want to see what this does when I do it to a very obvious spot. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I brushed it in and we're going to let this dry. Maybe even try a second coat. But here's like where I started and where I stopped. Just an area of my concern. And again, here's the other side where it's basically a white powder as opposed to a different color over here. I did find out that you spend more time cleaning the excess off the tile than you do putting it in. So you might want to use more than one rag. You do your best to get floors clean, but I kept on picking up hairs and nobody's been using this bathroom. So I'm going to blame that on the dog. But we'll give this a look in a few minutes and see what we got. Okay, so here's that inconspicuous spot, right? Not really, it's right out here in the opening. But the area that I decided to do a second application on. And again, that's just one coat, but you can see that discoloration is still there. I mean, it does lead me to believe that, maybe the solution here is going to be a coloring to try and get rid of that. Maybe over time this will go away. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if I want to really worry about it. Maybe I could just keep the floor wet all the time. That's just a joke. But again, with the grout coloring that I bought from Lowe's, just watching the videos on it, it just seemed to be a high maintenance thing. Every so often you had to do it again and again and again. It just seems like it lays on top of the grout and wears away. So I'm not really sure that's the solution. Maybe it'll work for some. I'd say might work well if you're selling your home. You want to give your bathroom grout a refresh for selling it, but I don't think that's going to be good for long term for the person who buys the home. But that being said, this is what I came up with. So we'll be back. Still going to do the sealer though. So thanks for watching.